In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to dictate your ideas into speaker notes quickly and clearly without having to type everything by hand. First, make sure your microphone is working and that you're using a supported browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Voice typing relies on your browser's speech recognition, so a compatible browser and a functioning mic are essential. If you're using a laptop, the built-in mic is usually fine, but a headset or external microphone can help reduce background noise and improve accuracy. It also helps to be in a quiet space and to speak at a steady, natural pace. Open your presentation in Google Slides. With your deck open, look at the top menu bar and click Tools. Then choose Voice Type Speaker Notes. This feature is designed specifically for the Speaker Notes section, so the words you dictate won't appear on the slide itself. Instead, they'll fill the notes area beneath your slide, where you'd normally jot reminders, talking points, or a script for presenting. When the small microphone box appears on your screen, you're ready to start. Click the microphone icon to begin speaking. You'll know it's listening when the icon changes to its active state. Position your cursor where you want the text to go in your speaker notes. Then speak clearly and naturally. If you make a short pause between phrases, the system has a moment to catch up and will often produce cleaner text. To control punctuation by voice, say the punctuation marks out loud as you speak. For example, you might say, "Today we'll cover our project timeline, budget highlights, and next steps, period." If you want to start a new line in your notes, simply say, "New line," and continue. Using these commands helps keep your notes organized and easier to read later. If you notice a word come out wrong, keep going. It's usually faster to finish your thought and tidy up afterward. Remember, the goal here is to capture ideas quickly. You can review and polish the text once you stop dictating. When you're finished, click the microphone icon again to stop voice typing. Take a moment to scan your speaker notes for accuracy, make any quick edits, and you're done. With these steps, you can build thorough speaker notes efficiently and focus more on your delivery when it's time to present.